Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing good. I'm Aleesha and I welcome you to Chef Special. इस शो में हम एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं फाइन डाइनिंग while visiting the best restaurants in Karachi. We make you talk to the chefs और इसके साथ साथ essential team members से भी आपकी मुलाकात करवाते हैं. आज हम आए हुए हैं Avari, which houses the premium restaurants in Karachi. We'll be visiting Dynasty, which is authentic Chinese, and we'll go talk to their chefs and again their team members. So let's go. Here at Dynasty, we'll be talking to Martin Young, who is the head chef. How are you, Martin?
I'm very fine. Thank you for asking.
Please, Martin, tell us how your love for food started.
I started my cuisine from China. From China, yes. I actually now I'm as a head Chinese chef for Dynasty restaurant Avari Towers. I have many years of experience in making delicious health food in star hotels and leading restaurants.
In China or in
No, yes, I have many years of experience at home and abroad.
Okay, at home and abroad.
Yes.
Okay, and you learned how to cook authentic Chinese first.
Exactly, authentic Chinese food.
Okay, how long have you been in Karachi, Pakistan?
Actually, I have been working in Lahore, Avari Hotel for 1.5 years now. I'm joining the Karachi Lahore 1 year already.
Okay, 4.5 years in Lahore you were,
Yes, exactly.
and at Avari as well, and then
Exactly.
you got shifted to Karachi for a year.
Yes, yeah, exactly.
And do you cook Pakistani food as well?
Yes, I try to cook the Pakistani food. For example, that red curry.
Red curry.
And also that chicken with rice. That
Biryani.
Yeah, teriyaki.
Okay.
Yes.
So do you like that or do you cook that?
I like, and also I want to learn. I want to learn it.
Okay, you want to
Yes.
learn it. But also, do you prefer Pakistani food over Chinese food by any chance?
Actually, I just a professional with the authentic Chinese food. Is that food? I just want to learn. I want to try to learn.
All right.
And also make that food for my family or for my friends.
All right, and I want to know about your team management skills inside the kitchen. How do you deal with your team members? What do you look in for your team members before hiring them?
Yes, actually, my team is a fantastic team, but I want to improve them, the team, like the authentic way, authentic Chinese food. So I will make the authentic Chinese recipes to present it, to demonstrate with them about how can make the Sichuan cuisine, Cantonese cuisine, and the Shanghai cuisine.
Okay, so Cantonese and then Shanghai.
Yes, now in our menu, there are around 8 dishes in our menu. That is Sichuan cuisine, Shanghai cuisine, and the Cantonese cuisine.
Have you tried any local Chinese restaurants here?
Exactly, I did. I tried for example, the egg fried rice, chicken Manchurian, in the local Chinese restaurant, but that food was pathetic. I don't know. That is from China. That is authentic Chinese food. You know, I'm totally confused.
It's not Chinese?
Yes, exactly. The Chinese, you know, for example, Sichuan cuisine, that is Sichuan from China. The Shanghai cuisine from Shanghai. So Cantonese from the south of China. That is authentic Chinese food.
So these dishes we see in the restaurants, Chinese restaurants in Pakistan and Karachi, aren't actually Chinese.
Exactly.
Manchurian and the black pepper fried chicken and all these
Exactly,
things.
exactly.
It's not Chinese.
That is not. I just want to say that it's not authentic Chinese.
Okay, it's not authentic. So they've
Exactly.
adapted. But do you adapt flavors for your local customers as well?
No, I just depend on the customers want it.
Okay.
Yes, and also here a lot of the various Chinese people, sometimes they need the different taste. So because China is very huge, north of China, south of China, the cuisine is totally different.
Okay.
Yes, so I will prepare the special menu for the different the part of China like that. Yes.
So most of your team here, have you trained them? Have you trained them into the authentic Chinese style?
Exactly.
Okay.
I have to, because I come here, I want to make them the straight away for the authentic Chinese food. I don't want to make that not authentic, like a local Pakistani, the Chinese. I don't want to they make like that food.
Okay. Well, you've been here for 5 years almost in Pakistan.
Yes.
Yes? Have you learned any Urdu words?
Thodi.
Thodi.
Because yes, well, for example, the bani and the aloo in kitchen language.
Thodi add kar lo.
Exactly.
Okay. That's good to hear. Thank you so much, Martin Young. We'll see you in the kitchen now, and I think you'll be making us 2 amazing dishes. Can you please tell us what they are?
Yes, it's my pleasure. So, thank you very much. I'm as a head Chinese chef for Dynasty Restaurant Avari Towers. We are looking forward to your welcome to try our mouth-watering and delicious authentic Chinese food in our dynasty. Please come visit. I will make your special menu for a day for you, for my best friend, the Pakistan friend. I love Pakistan. I love Avari Towers.
Yay, that's very nice to hear. But also, can you tell us what dishes you'll be making for us today?
Yes, today I prepared the Chinese beef steak in black pepper sauce and also seasoning prawns Sichuan style. That is one dish Sichuan style is from the Sichuan province, and the black pepper Chinese beef steak that is from the south of China. Actually, that is Cantonese cuisine. Cantonese cuisine. So one is Cantonese cuisine, one is Sichuan cuisine. They're different.
Okay, very nice. I think we'll go to the kitchen now and get prepared on that. So
Yes.
let's go. Thank you so much, Chef Martin.
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you very much.
We'll be trying out the food after this break. Don't go anywhere. Okay, Martin, one more time. What are you cooking for us today?
Today I'm going to demonstrate 2 dishes.
Okay.
First one is the Chinese beef steak with black pepper sauce.
All right.
And the second one is of the seasoning prawns, Sichuan style.
All right.
Yes.
Let's start with the beef then.
Exactly.
Okay, let's
Then
go.
first beef. We choose the beef tenderloin.
Okay.
First beef tenderloin cut into 6 thick slices.
And that's for 1 serving?
Yes.
Okay. That's it, that's the marination.
Marination, yes.
Okay.
Now the vegetables we normally use that onions.
The friend that makes you cry.
Yes, onion cut into the grease.
बीफ मैरिनेशन पे चला गया है. अब हम मूव करेंगे सॉस के ऊपर. ब्लैक पेपर सॉस. लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. We can.
First we heat our wok, then keep some oil.
Ooh, intense. This is a completely different station, so this is how they
Yes.
keep moving back and forth as well.
Then
What is
some
that?
Garlic
Garlic
and the black pepper.
and pepper. Of course, black pepper sauce needs pepper. And how much pepper is that? That's quite a bit of pepper.
Yes, then saute.
And it's not a lot of oil either. Yeah.
Saute 30 seconds.
Okay. It's a big wok. Woo. Scary.
Then add some water.
Okay.
Then add some chicken powder.
What is that?
Chicken powder. Chicken powder.
Chicken powder. Okay.
Yes. And oyster sauce.
Okay. That's so thick though, the sauce on its own.
Yes. And a dark soy sauce.
Dark soy sauce. What's the difference with dark and light?
Dark is actually dark is for color.
Okay.
Yes, light soy sauce for the taste.
Okay, okay.
This one is LP sauce.
This is what?
LP sauce.
LP sauce.
Yes.
I have to taste that on its own. I don't know what
And
that
Makey soy sauce. Makey. This is
Makey?
special Chinese night soy sauce.
is. Okay, so
Makey soy
authentic
sauce.
again.
Yes,
Okay.
authentic.
We don't know a lot of these ingredients because obviously हम लोग इनके साथ नहीं cook करते हैं, but that's why Chef Martin is here to tell us. There's a lot of different sauces here, all related back to the family of soy sauce. I'm learning about it too right now.
And
So,
also some sugar.
a little bit of sugar.
Yes. And a little white pepper.
And white pepper too,
Yes.
black and white pepper both.
Then to cook another 1 minute again to boil,
Okay.
to bring a boil.
And the thickness just comes on its own?
Now thickness we will use by the corn flour.
Of course we are.
Corn flour, yes.
Now that's something we know, how to make the gravy. You always use corn flour in it.
This corn flour also this authentic Chinese way.
Or is it a slurry or is it mixed with water? The
Mix
corn flour?
water,
Yeah.
corn flour with water.
Because you don't want it to be lumpy.
Thicken with corn flour.
Okay. It's very interesting to come to these kitchens. हमेशा इतनी activity चल रही होती है. Other stations are working all around us. And there's so much heat always. And it's really fun to capture all of it.
Yeah, more.
A little more.
Yes. And then a little bit, 1 or 2 drops sesame oil.
A little what?
Sesame oil.
Sesame oil. That's what makes the dish. And do we use sesame oil a lot in Chinese dishes?
For example, the vegetables, mixed vegetables, and also some noodles.
Noodles? Yeah.
Yes, exactly.
We love sesame oil in all our dishes.
Then pour it into a sauce bowl.
Wow, that's a lot of sauce.
Yes.
I didn't see that coming. The beef is still being marinated, by the way, and then the sauce is so thick and smells really nice. Very soy sauce type smell to it. So salty maybe.
Now sauce is done.
Okay. Just sath chef is also cleaning his pans. Like that's really good and efficient in a way.
Then now heat another wok.
Another wok.
We
Okay, so
heat another pan.
okay.
We heat another wok.
Okay, change of pans, and it literally took chef 2 minutes to make the sauce. And now we're moving on to, what do? Fry the beef or?
Is a grill. Grill all the beef steaks.
Okay.
Grill, yes.
I don't know what that means.
Grill.
Searing. Oh,
Yeah.
searing. Okay. Okay, so it goes in the hot wok. It's surprising you didn't even have that wok on for that long for it to be so hot,
Yeah, exactly.
right? So it'll be seared, not fried. It's just a little light
Yes.
tap on the pan to make it cook. And
Grill
how-
around 2 minutes. Just depend your taste. If you need the medium rare, medium rare 30 seconds. Okay, now take it out.
That's very
This one
rare.
actually
huh?
is a medium rare.
Medium rare. Actually, fun fact about Chinese food, it's one of the healthiest foods in the world. Because I think they अभी मैं भी देख रही हूँ इतना oil नहीं इस्तेमाल करते हैं. Obviously, it's very balanced. They have a lot of sides with vegetables and staples are rice. So it is one of the healthiest foods in the world. And if you saw कि sauce किस तरह बना और beef किस तरह sear किया है, बहुत कम तेल इस्तेमाल किया है. And when you take it off the pan, it's still cooking afterwards as well,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Okay.
We have to cook again.
Okay, we've seared the beef, we've made the sauce. What are the next steps?
Next step, we just sauteed the onions.
Okay. Onions are going to be sauteed.
Now the sauteed around 30 seconds. Now sit
Onions.
the audience on the plate.
I love how the onions look. They're so thick and lightly fried. I love onions in my food recipe. This is already happening. In fry kar diya onions. I think this is going to be the bed and the plating is going to happen. You can see the blood come out of the beef.
Yes.
It's
Now,
still being cooked.
We make the beef. This is a grilled beef or beef in the wok.
Okay,
And the
again.
sauce.
Oh, that's why it was so raw, is because it's going to be cooked again, because you want the beef to go out hot, of course.
Exactly.
I'll just move it away, don't worry about it. Thank you. अच्छा, and the fun thing is कि निकाय के होटल में मैं डिशेस तो बनाता रहता हूँ, मगर जब चाइनीज़ आते हैं यहाँ पे तो मैं ऑफ द मेन्यू बनाता हूँ उनके लिए, ताकि और ऑथेंटिक स्टाइल हो.
Now we just make the sauce and the beef steak together, cooked for 1 minute.
पहले सिर्फ पैन फ्राई किया था. वैसे बीफ को आप कभी आप बीफ को इतना ओवर कुक नहीं करते, because it gets very chewy and rubbery and you don't want that.
See the beef steak
Wow, it looks
on
lovely.
the audience.
And again, guys, 1 wok and 1 spoon, and the magic was done. That's all you need in a kitchen. This is for 2 people again.
Yes,
So this is like a big chunk and cut of steak कि आराम से 2 लोग खा सकते हैं. Or do we have any sides with this, or this is how you serve it?
Now we just place the garnishing.
Okay, let's see the garnishing. Love it.
Yes.
Because these are really big pieces, like काफी बड़े pieces हैं beef के.
It's
ये
right.
आपने देखा
It's
होगा
right.
cutting के time पे भी.
Wash it. Now we have the garnishing.
I saw these garnishings before and I never showed you guys, but I'm very impressed.
This is the garnishing for the beef steak with black pepper sauce. This is made out of the vegetables, carrots, and a pumpkin.
And the details on the wings, the carvings, this is beyond anything. And these are swans, I think. And you've done this yourself?
Exactly.
This is so cool. This has clouds. यहाँ पे pumpkin से clouds बनाए हुए हैं. But the best thing about it is the details. I'm so impressed by seeing this. Is great, chef. What lovely artwork.
Thank
I'm
you.
sure you make so many more. How long did this take you to make?
It spent me 2.5 hours.
2.5 hours for this.
Yes.
And do people eat it over there when it's served to them?
They serve for them. Serve for them for special customer,
And-
for the special menu.
Okay. And do you make it for each special person? You take out 2.5 hours and carve it?
Exactly.
That's amazing. That's so much effort in just such a beautiful piece. This is not food. This is art right here. Okay. That
Exactly.
looks lovely. Thank you so much for showing that to me.
Now
Amazing.
this is a Chinese beef steak
Okay, that's done.
with black pepper sauce. It's done.
Very nice. I mean, this looks amazing, but also the artwork there on the side to present it with, so good. Oh my God. It's like a proper statue. You could, how do you preserve this? You could just preserve it. Guys, the beef steak is done and we have an art piece on the side, which please, whoever gets this, don't eat it. Let's preserve it and frame it because it is a work of art. It's dripping here. Thank you so much for
Thank
showing
you.
that to
Now-
us. There's so much details happening on this and the beef steak looks great. We're at Dynasty trying out your favorite recipes. Don't go anywhere. मेरे साथ हैं Badr Zaman, who's the operations manager of Dynasty Restaurant. Assalamu alaikum, Mr. Badr.
Walaikum salam.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you so much.
Please, Mr. Badr, tell us a little about yourself and the experience you have in this field.
I am working in this organization since 1997. It's almost 25 years.
25 years से आप यहाँ पर हैं.
25 years से मैं यहाँ पे.
अच्छा, और आप प्लीज़ बताएंगे हमें कि आपका मेन्यू डिसाइड करने का प्रोसेस क्या है?
मेन्यू में जो कुछ चेंजिंग होती है वो हमारे जो हेड शेफ़ हैं, चाइनीज़ हेड शेफ़ यंग हैं, वो कुछ न ऐड करते रहते हैं.
ऑलराइट, आप प्लीज़ हमें बुकिंग का प्रोसेस भी बताइएगा कि यहाँ पे ऑर्डर्स भी होते हैं, आप डिलीवरी भी करते हैं, यहाँ पे रेस्टोरेंट में ही आके खाना होता है.
जी, बुकिंग के हवाले से तो मैं आपको बताऊंगा कि बाई ईमेल के थ्रू भी हमारी बुकिंग आती रहती है और उसके अलावा टेलीफोन पे भी बुकिंग लोग कराते हैं. तो अगर आप अपने घर पे खाना मंगवाना चाहें तो बाइके के थ्रू हम लोग डिलीवर करते हैं.
यहाँ के लोग जब आते हैं, डू दे लाइक द ऑथेंटिसिटी or do they prefer something else?
देखिए हमारे पास तकरीबन कोई 20% तो चाइनीज़ गेस्ट आते हैं और 80% जो होते हैं वो हमारे लोकल पाकिस्तानी गेस्ट होते हैं। हमारे पास कुछ सिग्नेचर डिशेज़ हैं जो चाइनीज़ गेस्ट पसंद करते हैं, जिस तरह हॉट पॉट हो गया।
ओके।
हाँ, तो डम्पलिंग हो गई, हॉट पॉट हो गया, पिकिंग डक है, तो ये चाइनीज़ गेस्ट पसंद करते हैं।
और यहाँ पे हॉट पॉट भी सर्व होता है?
हॉट पॉट भी सर्व करते हैं। सी फूड हॉट पॉट है, आप इंजॉय कर सकते हैं। बड़ा खासकर जो सर्दियों का ये जो वेदर चल रहा है, इसमें हॉट पॉट आप ट्राई करें, बड़ा ज़बरदस्त होता है, बहुत अच्छा होता है।
हॉट पॉट वही है जिसके अंदर रॉ इंग्रेडिएंट्स डालते हैं?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली। और नीचे बर्नल जल रहा होता है।
बिल्कुल, आजकल बहुत ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है कराची पाकिस्तान के अंदर। इट्स वेरी हैपनिंग कि लोग रेस्टोरेंट्स खोल रहे हैं उसके बारे में। सो सरप्राइजिंग टू नो कि यहाँ पे भी है।
बिल्कुल।
आप अपने ऑपरेशन आवर्स के बारे में बताइएगा।
हमारे ऑपरेशन आवर जो टाइमिंग लंच का है 12:30 to 3 है, और हमारी डिनर टाइमिंग जो है 7:30 to 11:30 है। 7 days अभी।
और उसके बीच में अगर कोई आ गया, सर्विस स्टिल ओपन?
नो, 3 to 7:30 हम लोग क्लोज होते हैं।
Okay.
अगेन 7:30 फॉर डिनर के लिए फिर अगेन स्टार्ट करते हैं।
ओके।
टिल 11:30।
अच्छा मिस्टर बदर, कि अगर किसी को वॉक इन करना हो तो वो आ सकता है यहाँ पर? बुकिंग डालना ज़रूरी है?
वॉक इन के लिए तो वीक डेज में आ सकते हैं, लेकिन स्पेशली वीकेंड पे फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे बुकिंग ज़रूरी है, क्योंकि ये डायनेस्टी रेस्टोरेंट है, वन ऑफ द बेस्ट चाइनीज़ रेस्टोरेंट इन टाउन। मैं तो ये कहूँगा कि पूरे पाकिस्तान में नंबर 1 पे है हमारा डायनेस्टी। पर डे जो हम कवर्स करते हैं 400 कवर्स करते हैं, ठीक है। तो इसके लिए मैं तो ये मेरा सजेशन ये है कि आप जब फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे आएँ तो बुकिंग करवा के आएँ।
वीकेंड्स
उसके अलावा आप वॉक इन पे भी मिल जाती है टेबल।
अच्छा।
अगर फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे आप बुकिंग करवा लेंगे तो आपको वेट नहीं करना होगा, अदरवाइज वेट करना पड़ता है।
अच्छा, मेरे सामने एक बहुत मज़े का नैपकिन पड़ा हुआ है, ब्यूटीफुली फोल्डेड। आपको ये फोल्ड करना आता है?
बिल्कुल, मुझे फोल्ड करना आता है।
आप प्लीज़ मुझे सिखाएं कि आपने ये किस तरह किया है। मैं मिस्टर बदर के साथ हूँ, नैपकिन फोल्डिंग आर्ट सिखाएंगे मुझे। आई थिंक हम फैन स्टाइल करने लगे हैं, बिकॉज फैंस इनकी थीम है ऑल अराउंड, सो दैट्स हाउ दे सेट द नैपकिन अप। प्लीज़ मिस्टर बदर, टेल मी हाउ टू स्टार्ट एंड हाउ वी शुड गो अबाउट दिस।
यस प्लीज।
ओके।
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो हमने ये फोल्ड लेना है, एक। आप मेरे साथ
ओके
करें ये। 1 2 3 4 5 एंड देन आप इसको अपनी फिंगर यहाँ रख के यहाँ घुमाना है ऐसे। हाँ,
सही है?
सही है।
ओके।
ऐसे घुमाया आपने, और यहाँ से कॉर्नर से पकड़ के इसको यहाँ अंदर दबाना है, यूँ नहीं, ये भी
दोनों
को।
ओके
किया?
ओके,
ठीक है। उसके बाद ये हमारा नैपकिन
और
तैयार।
मैं कैसे रखूँगी इसको?
आप भी नहीं, यूँ घुमा के आप ऐसे रखेंगे।
Oh wow, I did it! Not bad. Not that hard. Not that easy. मेरा थोड़ा फेल है, पीछे से खुल रहा है। इनका काफ़ी परफेक्ट है, अगर आप देख सकते हैं। This is how sad it looks from my end. Oh sorry. मैं जानबूझ के नहीं आपका ख़राब कर रही थी। But this is the art and I think this is really special because I'm sure आपको और भी डिज़ाइंस बनाने आते होंगे इसमें।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, लेकिन यहाँ की हमारी थीम है चाइनीज़ की, तो यहाँ पे फैनी स्टाइल चलता है, तो इस वजह से यहाँ पे हम।
Well, thank you so much. This was really fun.
You're most welcome.
Moving on to the next dish, we have Szechuan style prawns and chef is going to teach us how to make them. Please Martin, let's see it.
Yes, now we are going to prepare the Sichuan prawns.
Yeah.
Now we
All of them?
preparing the vegetables.
And look at the, okay, yeah, please. Have them.
Then onions.
Again.
Again, yes.
Onion, the friend, I'm going to say it again. I know it's very cringy. The friend that makes you cry, onions, but they taste so good. Okay. Onion. Is onion also a staple vegetable in the Chinese food? I see you use it in both the dishes.
Exactly.
Yes?
And also the fresh red chili.
Okay. Spicy.
Spicy. Sichuan, that is spicy food.
Okay, so are these chilies spicier than the green ones? Of course, because they're red.
Red
But
one. And also the mushrooms.
okay,
as
we
well.
have
Mushrooms,
onions,
fresh
chilies,
mushrooms,
mushrooms.
cut into slices.
okay. Perfect. But look at the size of these prawns, guys. These are huge.
Tiger prawns.
Oh, these are tiger prawns.
This
Okay.
is U20. U20 prawns.
20 prawns.
Yes, U20.
What is
size? U20 is the size.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This is U20 prawns. Again, learning this now. This is also a size in prawns. What's a bigger size called? U21?
And also not U21, U10.
U10 is bigger.
U10, U20.
Okay, the
And
lower the
U40.
number gets,
Exactly.
the bigger the prawn. Okay, perfect.
Marinate by salt.
Yeah. Okay, marination process has started. This is salt,
And white pepper.
white pepper.
And mix well.
Mix it well. That's it. Very simple
Yes.
spices that you add in it.
Now, marination and the mise en place is done.
Okay,
Next
so marination of the prawns is done. सिर्फ दो ही spices के साथ marinate किया है इनको. Salt
And white pepper.
and white pepper. And
This is
that's it.
Natural taste.
Okay, natural taste. They stick to the वो flavors के साथ stick करते हैं. Prawn के authentic taste के साथ ही रहेंगे. What's next in the process?
Next process, we will going to prepare the sauce, Sichuan sauce.
We'll be going on a break. Don't forget to come back.
Now we are going to make the sauce, Sichuan sauce.
Perfect. And you just let this sit in salt and leave it be. Why not marinate overnight? Is it not?
Overnight, no, that is not good.
No?
You just if overnight that is not fresh. You
Okay.
know, yes, it might
So,
chewy.
अच्छा seafood वैसे इतनी देर marinate करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. You have to keep seafood to its authentic self. And you have to keep it real. उसको इतना over spice करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. And that's what also Chinese flavors are about. This is just salt and white pepper and put on the side. अभी हम sauce की तरफ जा रहे हैं. Szechuan, it's Szechuan sauce, right? Okay.
Yes, exactly.
Excited to see that because the peppers are cut up, I think.
Now we are sauteed the prawns.
Ooh,
First cook the prawns. We just heat up.
oil back in the bowl. I love that. I love how you do that. It's really cool.
Because this one actually we call the seasoning the wok. Seasoning the wok. Seasoning the wok. And
Okay.
then after that the wok will be unsticky.
Okay. So just season the wok with oil and it's not, that's what the process of putting the oil in the wok is. And again, वही wok और वही चम्मच, you know, पहले भी आपने देखा होगा हमने जब दूसरी रेसिपी बनाई थी. All the things are the same. Oh, these are like jumbo prawns. These are
Yes,
big. How long do you
We
put them on?
cook the prawns until the color changes.
Okay,
Color change the well cooked.
perfect. And you don't want to overcook the prawns ever. Oh wow, it's already turning reddish,
Yes,
pinkish.
right.
Very nice. अभी इससे reddish, pinkish सा color आ गया है. And it's looking lovely. And the fun thing about prawns is कि वो पहले you know थोड़े लंबे लगते हैं फिर एकदम से जब आप fry करें उनको तो वो curl up हो जाते हैं. So it's really cute looking at them like that. Very nice. And that didn't take long at all, did it? अच्छा सीजनिंग हमने इसलिए इतनी कम रखी क्योंकि सॉसेस जो होते हैं वही स्टैंड आउट करवाते हैं डिश को तो हम लोग इसलिए इनको
Then
हल्का
out.
हल्का कर रहे हैं. Oh my God, so hot here.
Exactly.
Look at that. Okay, so the prawns are cooked. Prawns बन चुके हैं और usually देखिए ऐसा लगता है कि थोड़े कच्चे and stuff, but हम लोग इसी तरह रखते हैं because heat वैसी उनको कुक कर रही होती है और फिर final time जब sauce में ऐड करते हैं थोड़े और cook हो जाते हैं तो इसलिए they take it out before time. And now what are we going towards? The sauce?
Sauce, yes.
Okay.
Now we put the garlic, chopped garlic,
Of course.
chopped ginger,
Ginger,
and also this is special authentic Chinese chili paste.
chili paste, authentic Chinese.
Yes.
What makes it authentic? What's that extra ingredient you put in it?
Inside we have available that crushed chili powder, crushed chili and paprika, and oyster sauce, and also the chili bean paste inside.
Chili bean paste.
Yes.
Okay.
And also a
Chili
little bit,
bean paste. That's the extra ingredient in the sauce.
and also a little bit dry red chili.
And these are dry chilies
Yes, dry red chili.
and dry chilies. Are dry chilies also Szechuan chilies?
No, dry red chili that is not Sichuan. Sichuan authentic Sichuan paste is this one is spirit.
Okay,
For
this
the-
is the Szechuan
yes,
actual paste.
spirit for the Sichuan
Okay,
sauce.
Okay.
We sauteed,
Very aromatic, very nice smells happening.
then put the water.
Water. Amazing. And corn flour.
Not yet. Now
No,
we put
not
the
yet.
chicken powder,
Chicken powder,
white pepper,
white pepper,
and a little bit of light soy sauce.
and this is the light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce.
Light soy
And
sauce.
dark soy sauce.
Dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce for color, light for flavor.
Yes. And a little sugar.
And a little bit of sugar. पहले आप चिलीज़ को पहले ब्राउन करते हैं और फिर जो लिक्विड कॉन्डिमेंट्स होते हैं फिर उनको ऐड करते हैं. अभी तक हमने कॉर्नफ्लावर नहीं डाला है फॉर दैट थिकनेस, बट इट्स लुकिंग गुड.
Bring to boil. Then thicken by the corn flour.
The slurry.
Keep the fire
It's
small.
bubbling here. Okay. And you mix it in water so it doesn't get lumpy, yes?
Exactly.
Yeah. How much corn flour is too much corn flour?
Just make it thicken.
Very nice. That was fast. I think usually जब आप corn flour को पानी के साथ mix करते हैं तो it's better because it doesn't stay lumpy and the quantity that you put in is a lot less, तो आपको अंदाज़न से नहीं करना पड़ता है फिर इस तरह से.
Then cook the prawns inside.
And the prawns go back in because they were a little half cooked and now they're going to be fully cooked.
Yes.
Wow. Amazing. I'll just move this for you. And they are done.
Cooked around 1 minute. 1 minute.
One more minute?
Yes.
Okay.
Now we just take out the. At the meantime,
अच्छा, the whole time यहाँ पे एक sizzler रखा हुआ था flame पे because I think उसके अंदर serve करेंगे. And that's really hot already.
yes.
अभी sizzler को उतारा है यहाँ से and this is gonna go inside, right? This is the way you serve it. So it stays hot and stays sizzling and इसी तरह बाहर customers को जाके मिलता है.
No, we sit as the audience on it.
Okay. अभी तक इन onions को कुछ किया नहीं है क्योंकि sizzler कब से fire पे था जब हम लोग prawns बना रहे थे और जैसे ये onions रख रहे हैं की आवाज़ आ रही है, so it's sizzling on that. Very nice. So this sizzler is doing the job that wok could have done with these ingredients,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
Yeah.
This one it's raw, it doesn't matter because this one is very hot.
Yeah.
We just cook it in the sizzler.
And it's like sizzling properly like that. You can smell the mushrooms in such a different way. और इसको हम इनने कुछ नहीं किया है क्योंकि I think जब वो hot sauce इसके ऊपर आएगा. Wow.
And I put a
Just
little
bit of
oil.
oil. Oh my god.
To the seasoning.
अच्छा, शेफ मार्टिन आपको कोई वार्निंग नहीं देंगे कि ये होने वाला है अभी कि आपके ऊपर पटाखे गिरेंगे ऑयल के और वो आपको नहीं. एंड द स्मेल राइट नाउ इज बियॉन्ड एनीथिंग एंड इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट जो वॉक में आती है. सिजलर की स्मेल इज अ लिटिल वाओ. और इसी के साथ साथ यू कैन सी जो अनियंस थे रॉ एंड मशरूम्स दे स्टार्टेड ब्राउनिंग अप एज वेल बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. जस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ सॉस लेफ्ट. I love that. हम लोग look at that. Wow, that's so good. This aroma is really strong. Is the chilies doing that? I can smell the chilies. Or again, the smell of this sizzler. This is amazing. The smell of the sizzler makes it very different as opposed to the
And
wok
top the
on
chilies
everything. Red
as
chili for
garnishing.
garnishing.
And also coriander.
Coriander. अब थोड़ी सी burning की भी smell आ रही है, but it's not really burning. What is that burning smell? Is the chilies? frying up?
Chilies and all the
That's
spirit,
really
the chili
strong.
paste. Chili paste smell.
Oh, you know, so now it's like it's not aromatic anymore. It's like a chili जब लगती है आपके नाक के अंदर वो वाली smell आ रही है, but again still amazing. This is really strong smell, but it looks so beautiful. Very aromatic, very different. Sizzler के पास जाके smell completely changes. It smells like dried spice over here. It looks beautiful, chef. Thank you so much for teaching us this dish. Please show the audience. These are jumbo tiger Szechuan prawns and they look absolutely lovely. Oh my god. Thank you for staying with us. We'll be trying out authentic style Chinese recipes. I probably have the busiest person here at Avari Towers with me, Executive Chef Zahid Salamat. How are you?
I'm fine.
Please, chef, tell us a little कि आप इतने सारे restaurants आपके अंडर आते हैं, आप किस तरह हैंडल करते हैं ये सब?
थोड़ा डिफ़िकल्ट टास्क होता है लेकिन मैनेज हो जाती है चीज़ें। मेरे एसोसिएट्स हैं जो मेरे साथ में काम करते हैं, मेरे मतलब सूस शेफ्स हैं, डिफरेंट आउटलेट के शेफ्स हैं, तो उन सबको एक एज अ टीम के तौर पर जब करते हैं तो रिज़ल्ट आ ही जाता है फिर, तो वो मैनेज हो जाता है एज अ टीम जब काम करते हैं।
और यहाँ पे कितने रेस्टोरेंट्स हैं दैट यू लुक आफ्टर?
हमारे पास इस वक्त 4 रेस्टोरेंट जो ऑपरेशन में काम कर रहे हैं हम लोग। एक फुजियामा है, एक डायनेस्टी है, एक स्काई बारबेक्यू है, एशिया लाइफ है।
एंड ऑल ऑफ देम आर वेरी बिग नेम्स एंड आल्सो वेरी सारे डिफरेंट क्विजीन्स भी हैं, तो आप भी मास्टर ऑफ आर्ट होंगे सारे इन क्विजीन्स में।
मगर मेरी ये कुलिनरी एक्सपीरियंस के बारे में बोलें तो ऑलमोस्ट 35 इयर्स जो है मुझे इस फील्ड में हो गए और अभी भी सीखने का प्रोसेस चल रहा है। मतलब वो तो कहते हैं ना कि चलता रहता है प्रोसेस, तो चलता ही रहेगा वो। तो मतलब उसमें एशियन भी है, उसमें कॉन्टिनेंटल भी है, उसमें फिर इटालियन भी हैं, और इस तरह से जो है मल्टी कुजीन जिसको कहते हैं वो। तो वो और मेरी अपनी स्पेशलिटी जो है वो फ्यूजन है।
और फ्यूजन में क्या क्या इंक्लूड होता है?
फ्यूजन में जैसे हम चाइनीज़ जापानीज़ जो मतलब मिक्स करेंगे, चाइनीज़ पाकिस्तानी मिक्स करेंगे, इटालियंस के अंदर कुछ इस तरह के मतलब फ्यूजन करेंगे कि पाकिस्तानी को हम किस तरह से इटालियन उसमें लेके आए, तो वो फ्यूजनाइट फूड होता है
कि टेस्ट को किस तरह से लोकलाइज कर सके फॉर एवरीवनस पैलेट।
बिल्कुल, देखें डिपेंड करता है कि हम गेस्ट को किस तरह सेटिस्फाई करते हैं, यहाँ पर गेस्ट के क्या लाइक करता है, तो उसी के हिसाब से फिर हम जो फ्यूजनाइट करते हैं और फिर वो चीज़ें बनाते हैं।
ओके, और वीकेंड्स को ये इतना बिजी हो जाता होगा सब कुछ, तो आप कौन से रेस्टोरेंट में आप प्लेस हुए होते हैं?
फॉर एज अ एग्जीक्यूटिव शेफ तो मैं पूरे होटल में मूव हो रहा होता हूँ।
और आपकी टीम के अंदर कितने लोग आते होंगे?
अराउंड 60 to 70 मतलब शेफ्स हैं जो पूरी टीम के किचन के अंदर काम करते हैं।
एंड आपका मेन्यू डिज़ाइन करने का प्रोसेस क्या होता है? आप खुद से ये सारे आइटम्स चूज़ करते हैं जो आपके 4 रेस्टोरेंट्स के अंदर हैं, या फिर प्लीज़ टेल अस अ लिटिल अबाउट इट?
देखिए, फिर वो एक चीज़ आती है कि टीम वर्क। हाँ, अब जैसे चाइनीज़ वगैरह है, यहाँ का जो चाइनीज़ का मेन्यू है वो शेफियन हमारे जो चाइनीज़ शेफ़ हैं वो चूज़ करते हैं। जापानीज़ जो है वो शेफ़ कार्लो है। स्पेशली ये शेफ्स वो शेफ्स हैं जो मतलब ऑथेंटिक कुजीन्स लेके आए हैं अपनी कंट्रीज से बाहर। जैसे चाइनीज़ से हमने ये शेफियन है, तो जो मोस्टली होता क्या है कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर या फिर हमारे सब कॉन्टिनेंट में चले जाएँ तो जो चाइनीज़ कुजीन है वो चाइनीज़ कुजीन नहीं रही, वो फ्यूजन बन गया है। इवन पाकिस्तान के अंदर अब जो हम चाइनीज़ खाते हैं डिफरेंट रेस्टोरेंट्स में जाके, वो उसमें चिलीज़ और ये सब चीज़ डाल के उन्होंने चाइनीज़ जो फूड है उसको ख़त्म कर दिया। बिल्कुल
केचप सबसे ज़्यादा डालते हैं,
बिल्कुल केचप एंड यू नो रेड काइंड ऑफ चिलीज़, होल चिलीज़ को बोलते हैं हम, ड्राई चिलीज़ जो हम पाकिस्तानी कुजीन में बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ करते हैं, मतलब साबुत मिर्च जिसको बोलते हैं, वो हम चाइनीज़ के अंदर दबा के डाल रहे होते हैं चीज़ें। तो ये चीज़ें हमने ख़त्म करने के लिए हम जो शेफ्स हमारे हैं वो ऑथेंटिक चाइनीज़ हो गए, ऑथेंटिक जापानीज़ हो गए, तो ये चीज़ें हम उस पर फोकस ज़्यादा करते हैं।
वैसे अगर आप अप नॉर्थ की साइड पे जाएं तो वहाँ पे भी चाइनीज़ फूड इज़ वेरी हैपनिंग, कि मतलब वहाँ पे भी सूप्स वगैरह चाइनीज़ का खाते रहते हैं। उसका बारे में आपको कुछ पता है कि वाई चाइनीज़ फूड इज़ प्रेजेंट देयर?
एक तो ये बहुत जिसको बोलते हैं ना कि एनर्जेटिक चीज़ है, मतलब एनर्जी बहुत ज़्यादा है, बहुत सिंपल है और बहुत प्योर जो चीज़ें हैं इसके अंदर, इंग्रेडिएंट्स वगैरह जो हैं इसके चाइनीज़ के। तो वही वजह है कि जो हमारे नॉर्थ वगैरह है ये उनका भी कुजीन, उनकी भी जो स्टाइल, लाइफ स्टाइल है वो सिमिलर ही है जो हमारे चाइनीज़ वाले, तो इसी वजह से वो फूड को हम पसंद किया जाता है।
तो आपका फेवरेट फूड क्या है?
आई लाइक ममा फूड।
You like your mama's food? Oh, I love that. That's so sweet.
मैं अभी भी मतलब जो मौका मिलता है मैं घर जाके अपनी फैमिली के साथ खाना पसंद करता हूँ। ना कि होटल में रह के।
तो आपको टाइम मिलता है घर जाने का विद सच अ बिजी स्केड्यूल?
वो डांट पड़ती है थोड़ी सी तो, लेकिन क्या करें, काम है। तो जो भी वक्त मिलता है कोशिश करते हैं कि मैनेज करें चीज़ों को।
एंड हाउ मेनी आवर्स डू यू थिंक आप इस होटल में स्पेंड करते होंगे?
अब मतलब आने का टाइम तो हमारे पास है, अब जाने का टाइम वो हम नहीं बता सकते क्योंकि डिपेंड करता है कि पार्टीज़ कैसी हैं क्या है। तो सुबह 7 से लेके कभी रात 12 बजते हैं, कभी 8 बजते हैं।
Thank you, Chef Zahid. It was very nice talking to you. Thank you so much for your time. You're a man of many experiences and wonders, and I hope one day we can learn so much from you. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Welcome back to Chef Special. It's my favorite time of the day. It's the food review and tasting time. We have a very simple plate of beef steak pepper sauce in front of us. उस वक्त शेफ यंग से टाइम नहीं मिला था बात करने का, but he told me कि this crane and cloud symbolize in the Chinese culture, बहुत rich culture है उनका, longevity and peace. And I love that because their culture is so rich in that way. Oh, it just fell off. What I have here is the steak with a very glazed sauce, and you can see the garlics iske upar. It's very simple, but the taste will tell all. Very tender. There's this taste in it that's very, it's very subtle, but also it's supposed to be pepper steak. You can feel the hint of pepper, but it's also very sweet. And I'm going to tell you one thing. I actually really like the way ये steak बना है, क्योंकि उनने आपको अगर याद होगा पैन पे sear किया था. It wasn't grilled, it wasn't put in the oven. I think I like this method the most. It actually tastes very soft and the juices are very intact. It's very different from a lot of the steaks that I've had. I just got a hit of the pepper. And I love कि इसके अंदर crushed garlic का जो taste आ रहा है, it's very strong but not overpowering. It's actually really good. I think I would prefer this method of steaks over all the other ones I've seen. I think Chinese food has already got me hooked. It's very interesting. I haven't tried it with the onion yet, but we're going to go in with that to see what difference it makes. And then just, I like how आपको याद होगा अगर कितने simple तरीके से और कितने fast तरीके से Chef Young made this. And that was the money bite right there. It's very soft, juicy. I wouldn't say it's juicy because it has that proper taste of beef in it, but it's packed with flavor, so packed with flavor, and that the simplicity of it shines through. I think in the end, जब हमने sauce और beef को साथ combine करके cook किया था, the beef really soaked up all the sauce, and that's just what added the flavor. और हाँ, हमारी marination हुई थी I think ginger water के साथ. So there's a packed hit of ginger in this, which really stands out. I think that's something we all should do and try at home as well, because it really makes the difference. This was really good. I need to have some water with this because it's a little on the not spicy side, but it does have my tongue having these little tingles happening because of the pepper. You guys must try this dish when you come here. It's the black pepper steak, and it's authentically Chinese, and it's perfect. Okay, with this we had another dish which was the Szechuan style prawns, and I'm going to take this to go, by the way, because it's so good. I want to have it just by myself in a, thank you so much. And we're going to try that dish now. I'm very excited to see and taste. Ooh, I like the soy sauce concept behind it, obviously, because it's Chinese. वो तो होना ही होता है. And again, pagodas are an architectural form जो आपको नेपाल और Southeast Asia में मिलेंगे. That's how their towers are built over there. And again, very rich in culture, and that's how he's made this in, I think, it took him 2 hours to make this, and I just think it is a work of art. And if we could preserve this forever, I think we really should, because amazing. Okay, we're gonna have the Szechuan style prawns now, and we're gonna see if you can see how glazed the sauce is. And there's mushrooms there. Acha yaad hai humne mushrooms bhi we didn't fry them or brown them. इस sizzler के अंदर ही रखते हुए सब खुद ही brown हो गया था. I'm just going to go take a bite of this huge prawn. I've eaten out everywhere, but over here it's definitely very different. Authenticity over here is beyond. अगर लोग कहते हैं उनको Chinese food नहीं पसंद आता, you have to come to Dynasty and try their prawns out. You have to try all their food out actually, everything that I've tried. क्योंकि this is just cooked to perfection. It's really nice. The prawn is just cooked to perfection, not overcooked. The whole secret was to cook it just halfway, और then again जब sizzler में डाला तो वो और गर्म हो गया, तो cooked through, but not overcooked at all. Perfectly done, just how a prawn should be. और खाने के बाद आपको feel होता है वो Szechuan का hit, जो मुझे अब जाके feel हो रहा है. It's actually very spicy. Before I was like, oh, it's just salty, but it's on your tongue and it lingers. It's good. It's really nice. If you're into Szechuan peppers, you have to try their prawn Szechuan peppers. I have to. It's really hot. With that, I just want to thank the team of Avari. बहुत अच्छा लगता है हमेशा restaurants पे आके इस तरह के, क्योंकि people have 30+ years of experience and you always learn so much from them. And they're also so humble कि कहते हैं कि हम भी अभी तक सीख रहे हैं. But it's always really, really great to meet them and learn from them, and I appreciate it so much. With that, I'd like to close my show. Thank you all so much for watching Chef Special. Another week, another episode, another restaurant. Take care. Allah Hafiz.